What's up? It's Big Joe in Pattaya.
Look at this. I'm up here, third road. It's nearly 8:30. 9 o'clock, everything closes, Pattaya. I thought we'd take a quick look. This is Soi Pothole. Quite a few bars open, or should I say restaurant, cafe.
Hello.
It's Monday, 19th of January. Pattia's getting a little bit quiet at the moment, especially with the 9 o'clock closing. The test and go people are all going slowly home. But still good to be here. At least we're allowed to drink. But they are talking of changing the rules again. COVID today went down. Look at the little bars here. Jenny Bar, BBS, Inferno. Ow! Hello. Still plenty of action around. I know it's not quite the same as the normal Pattaya, but we got to live with what we got. Hey, look at that, street food, some cakes there. And look, Triangle Bar reopened. We got the live band back in action. Hey, they're all going off. Good to see, you know. After 2 years of this COVID crap, we're all sick of it, you know. Even the traffic's getting busier. Hang on, there's another YouTuber. Pattaya Joe! YouTubers everywhere at the moment. Soi Buakhao, let's have a quick look down here. I'm on my way home. LK Metro's doing alright. That Zero Bar. Zero Bar. Soy Honey. Soda Massage. Oh, I love that. Fantasy Lounge. Soi Buakhao Bar. It's all still going off. Still not quite the same. Look, Rock Factory, no live music. What happened there? Maybe they finished already. It's nearly 9 o'clock. Everyone's got to go home. We'll do a quick lap of Tree Town for you guys, see what's happening. Cocktail car, always a busy spot there. Cocktail. I love this spot now, it's quite busy. All these new restaurants opening up now. Good little spot, Tree Town. And like I said, it's still getting a bit quieter at the moment. All the test and go guys are going home. We need new people coming back, but not allowed with the quarantine crap. Some of these bars are going off. Area 52 bar looks alright. But in half an hour, these places shut up shop. Everyone go back to the room for what? hot sunny day today. It was hot, 30 degrees. All these places are gonna make new. Still pretty quiet. Not sure if the beach club's open. I can't see the laser lights in there. They might be still closed. They're a massive club. And just here, they've made a new beautiful beach club. It looks great. Even got the sand. I don't know if you can see in through there. Just opening up. Can't see, I'll show you. Maybe here. Candy shop. The exchange rate, they're closed at the moment, but your rates today, I think quite good, if you can see that. England 44.95, looking okay. But see that area just there? Look at that. Palm trees. That's a new little beach club. Not quite open yet. That looks cool. Next to the beer hub. Hello. But still, good to be here. I wish you could all come back soon. I know it's not easy traveling right now. Pain in the arse, so to speak. Tree Town area in there. They're not as busy as before. I thought I'd give you guys a quick look on the way home. Thanks everyone watching my channel. But Pattaya, unless we get more people coming back, we'll go down and down, you know. $0 it's good in there. Have the live band. It's all right. But everybody take care, stay safe. This is Pete Joe over and out. Just giving you all a quick update. Uru.